In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Smart Story. Smart Story helps increase interaction with your Instagram stories by encouraging people to send you a specific word or phrase, and in return, you can automatically send them a message, an audio file, a video, or any other resource. Let me show you how Smart Story works. To set it up, click on Create New Automation for Story. Here you can either choose all your current live stories or select one specific story. Just keep in mind that you must have at least one live story on your Instagram page for this to work. I'm going to select a specific story, then click Continue. Next, I choose the word or phrase I want users to send me in reply to that story. For example, if someone sends the word mindfulness, I want the platform to automatically send them a piece of content in response. Here, I can decide whether the keyword must be the exact word, whether the message should start with that word, or whether it simply contains that keyword. In this example, I only want it to trigger when the exact word mindfulness is sent, so I select that option and click Continue. Then I click Add New Action. Now I can choose what I want to send back automatically. For example, if someone sends me the word mindfulness, I might want to send them a mindfulness audio, a file, a video, or any other media. So here I choose Select Media Type. You can send different kinds of content such as an audio file, a video, any resource you have prepared in advance. In this example, I've prepared a mindfulness audio, and I want that to be sent automatically to anyone who replies with the word mindfulness. Then I click Save Automation, and after that, Continue. And that's it. Automation is now set up. Now, if I go to this Instagram page and reply to that story with the word mindfulness, the automation is triggered straight away. As soon as I send the word, I receive an automatic reply. And if I go back to my direct messages, I can see that the mindfulness audio has been sent to me successfully. Just like that, your Smart Story is working. You can use this feature to increase story engagement and improve your story views. Because the more interaction your stories get, the stronger the chance that more people will see them, your views will grow, and you'll have more opportunities to promote your products, services, or content. And if you're an influencer, higher story views can also help you secure better brand deals, because stronger story performance usually means stronger commercial value. Now, one important question is, how do users know what word or number they need to send in order to receive your gift, information, audio, or resource? The answer is simple. You need a clear call to action in your story. For example, on the story itself, you can write, to receive the mindfulness audio, send the word mindfulness. Then anyone who sees that story and sends the word mindfulness will automatically receive the audio in their direct messages. If you'd like to explore different use cases for your own business, whether you run an e-commerce brand, you're a creator, you sell courses, you want to generate more leads, or you work in any other field, go to the tutorial section inside the panel, click on the homepage and watch the tutorials and use cases there.